What am I doing? I'm scraping the bottom of the barrel for the cheapest of cheap stuff in the time we're in. Oh, that's what I'm doing. It's not cool yet. I'm doing it now. Everyone hates OTC. I'm going to love it. I'm going to nurture it. Look at this golden goose that I found today. So I've actually been like really trying to search for, not only the first thing I do when I look at OTC stuff, I come under security details, look at market cap. If this thing is over 10 million, I'm like, it's going to be a hard sell, man. It's going to be a hard sell. Why? I'm looking for the cheapest stuff right now, dude. It just is what it is. This came through. I'm trying to find some like commodity stuff, oil, gas, minerals, coffee, whatever, metal, stuff like that. So I got an update here today that they filed something. So I was like, what is this? Mineral RITE. RITE. The ticker RITE. Mineral RITE. Dude, I was like, minerals? Really? And I saw if you didn't see that, market cap is $3.2 million, which is absolutely pennies. Absolutely pennies. This thing can multiply like nuts. It's sitting at 0.0009. You might hate me for about a month, but I promise you in about 2, 3, 4, you're going to be thinking I'm a genius. So what do we got? A development stage company in the process of completing several, more than one, mineral acquisitions. So this, again, think of this like a SPAC. They're going to grab multiple like mining setups and buy them all in one and make them all under this ticker RITE. Here's the thing they filed here, just like updating whatever, this is the stuff that slows businesses down. All in the name of safety. We're going to make you do paperwork and hire lawyers. All right. Showing over here, they are pink, not current. Stop, dark, defunct. Ugh. I'm like, yeah, give me that. But look, verified profile. So this is like the stuff I try to look for. Like, they started to file the paperwork to make these guys be quiet and make them green lighted. It's probably gonna be hard to buy this though too. But look at this. They've got an actual website. By the way, most companies that have under a $10 million market cap, they don't even have a website. You click on the website, it's not even there. Even under $50 million market cap, they usually don't even have websites that work. They don't have phone numbers that work. I'm willing to bet both these work pretty darn well. I was sold right away on this. I was like, okay, I'll take whatever that thing is mining right there. I don't even care. Is it lead? I'll take it. Is it copper? Is it lithium? I don't know. This kind of looks like some, I don't know. That looks like some coppery goldy stuff. Iron? I don't know. Mineral RITE will structure its business such that it will plan to have various revenue streams from different areas. So multiple jurisdictions. Great. And different minerals. So we're not just going to get one mineral. I love these plays, dude. Because if those plays, like we talk about mining stuff all the time, if a play is 100% gold, and guess what? Gold just tanks to no man's land, you're screwed. But if that thing had gold, copper, lithium, and aluminium or something, the other three could be up, but gold could be down. This thing could still go up. So it's almost like buying an ETF, So we got different locations, different minerals. We're not exposed to one entity or product to keep us safe, basically is what it's saying. We are in discussions with various sources and funding and a lot of world-class talent they're working with. I guess they're hiring people. Sweet. Look the dude up on LinkedIn here. It's like a normal dude. He's had a lot of exposure in Asia, which is always neat. Now, we've talked about that too with like mining. Like, Asia gets the bun end of the stick, specifically China. But I will say this. The government in China is smart, man. We've been talking how, like, for instance, MP Minerals, the Chamath SPAC, the one that he piped big and it, is zipped up real high, where in California, they're mining like lithium, cobalt, rare earth magnets, neodymium magnets, all that stuff. Guess who MP Minerals in California is selling that to? They're selling it to China. Why? Because China's the only one that really is stepping up and buying it. Again, the United States and Canada and Mexico, they need to be buying this stuff. UK, but they're not. We have gold here in America, but we still buy our gold from the Swiss? You know, what? Yeah, you see what I'm doing? But what am I getting at? Having Asia exposure is good because he probably knows some buyers. So maybe we get a mine, like I think this guy's in Texas, Guy Peckham, but I think he's in Texas. So maybe we get a mining play in Texas or whatever, Arkansas, whatever. And he's got connections in Asia, which we can then sell the mineral stuff to, which is great. So 15 years there, corporate experience, structuring, developing, financing early stage companies with both private, publicly equity. This is forte. 3 private companies he has launched and have become integral parts of well-known public companies. He was big in food distribution. Company he started, for example, became one of the largest of its kind in Canada. So Canada are the big miner bros. Like everyone in Canada's got mining in their blood, man. So he's got ties in Canada, Asia. I like it. And then you can see here, before this, he was working with Asia Projects Corporation, entrepreneur, financial collaborator, China business operating in Shanghai. And then we got this one right here. President Demand Brands, Premium Brand Holdings. I don't know, but then look at this. He was actually a managing director for Lock and Load Minerals. Sweet. APEC Food Group, eWorld Interactive. He's got people who have recommended his skills and endorsements, whatever that means. You know, they gave him a thumbs up or something. What am I getting at? We get a raw play, appreciative asset play that the world is severely going to be lacking. It's harder to get this stuff. It's more expensive to get it from the regulations, all that. Dude, I'm so macro, big picture mineral stuff for sure. And we are super duper ground floor. And I just have a feeling, just a really odd feeling, we're going to see way more updates coming very soon. Why? Because this hombre would not have filed this and spent the money and done the time to file all this stuff if he didn't have something else up his sleeve to talk about, right? Like, what would be the point of spending the money to put all this stuff to start getting the green buttons on his profile if he didn't already have stuff to show? You see? So once we get this pink lighted, once we go pink and this doesn't say stop anymore, usually I've seen these things at least 2x almost instantly. It's usually within a day or 3. It's like 128%, 238% up. Do you want to get in now or after that? Why did he just file this? If he just filed this for a reason, I believe this was updated too. What do you think? Are you going to jump in this one with me or are you going to wait till it's already 10x? If you haven't liked, commented, or subscribed on the video, please do it. If you want early in on these plays and you're serious about multiplying